Simplify root 48 plus 2 root 3. Solution. We have square root of 48 plus square root of plus 2 root 3. Now, we cannot add these together directly. We must simplify root 48 first before you can add. Now, simplifying root 48, it means that we need to express square root of 8 in what we call basic surd form, because this is in single surd form. We need to change root 48 to basic surd form. And what is the highest perfect square number we can have in 48? We should know that for 48, we can use 2 to divide. Then 48 divided by 2, we have 24. Dividing by 2, what do we have? That's 12. Dividing by 2, we have 6. Dividing by 2, we have 3. And we can also use 3. So, pairing. The first one, this is 4. The second one, this is also 4. And we have 3. And 4 times 4 again. This will give us what? 16. So it means that the highest perfect square number we can have in 48 is 16. So we can express this root 48 as 16 times 3 plus 2 root 3. Then what are we having? This is root 16 times 3. Then we simplify this as what? Root 16 times root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now in this case, simplifying this, root 16 is what? Is the same thing as 4. So here we have 4 times root 3, we have 4 root 3. Then plus 2 root 3. Now, we have the same number inside the square root. So we are going to add the number in front of root 3 together in each term. 4 plus 2, that will give us what? 6. So this will give us 6 root 3. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.